Hi, welcome back. Or if you're just joining, my name is Maya, and welcome to my channel, Cranleyplace, where I'm focused on Hermès scarf style, inspiration, and more. Before we get started, let me give a shout out to all the channel members, and special welcome to the knot connoisseurs and elegant insiders. I appreciate your ongoing support. If you haven't seen the membership options, please do check them out. In this video, I'll review a 90 centimeter silk twill from Hermès's Fall-Winter 2025 season called L'Heure des Gants by Jonathan Burton. We'll briefly explore the artist's background, the design inspiration, and take a collector-focused look at some of the available colorways. Let's get started! Jonathan Burton is an English illustrator now reportedly living in France, known for his finely detailed narrative style, instantly recognizable for its balance of elegance and wit. His portfolio ranges from editorial illustration and book covers to collaborations with Folio Society, Ritz Hotel, Vacheron Constantin, and obviously Hermès of Paris. What makes Burton distinctive within the Hermès universe is his storytelling. His works invite you into a world that feels both nostalgic and playful, echoing the poise of vintage poster art, yet never losing a modern spark. His early Hermès creations, such as Tea Time, Hermès Story, and Tied Up in Knots, were charmingly literal, like illustrated fables. With L'Heure des Gants, that storytelling matures. His line work is still as crisp as ever, but the narrative feels freer, more symbolic. You sense an artist completely comfortable in his medium, confident enough to let wit and craftsmanship share the stage. In silk, Burton paints the way a novelist writes, through gesture, rhythm, and an unfolding sense of discovery. The title, L'Heure des Gants, or The Hour of Gloves, sets a beautifully whimsical tone. Gloves, in fashion history, have historically been symbols of elegance, secrecy, and even flirtation. Burton transforms that idea into a vivid choreography of hands, gloved, expressive, and in motion. Across the silk, we see a dance of gestures. Each is part of a playful masquerade, a world where etiquette becomes theater. The composition spirals outward in an organized rhythm, balanced but lively. Burton's training in narrative illustration shows in how the eye moves. You don't just look at the scarf, you read it. Thematically, it speaks to duality. Gloves both conceal and reveal, protect and perform. It's fashion as language, each gesture a sentence in conversation about style. And as always with Hermès, there is a touch of history behind the humor. The house has long celebrated the artistry of accessories, hats, belts, riding gear, now gloves, each a symbol of savoir-faire. Burton continues that lineage with a modern wink, a reminder that elegance and play can coexist. Every turn of the silk offers a new vignette. It's a kind of design that rewards curiosity, wearable storytelling that feels alive each time it's tied differently. Now let's look at some of the colorways from a collector's perspective. Hermès released L'Heure des Gants in at least 6 distinct colorways, each one transforming its mood completely. Starting with the Blanc Cassé Étoupe Rouge H. That is the most classic, the ivory and taupe grounded with that deep Hermès red. It's urbane, timeless, and the palette of quiet confidence. Collectors will love this one because it shows every line with clarity while staying beautifully neutral. The Beige Doré, Corail, and Miel glows with warmth, golden light, coral highlights, and honey undertones. It feels nostalgic, like afternoon sun on silk gloves. Perfect for those who favor soft radiance and subtle glamour. The Cabin Rose multicolor version reads as bold and contemporary. The navy background sharpens Burton's pen-like detailing, while rose and jewel tones lend feminine energy. It's a statement scarf. confident, dramatic, and modern. Bleu ciel, corail, and ardoise is serene and balanced. The powder blue field, touched with coral and slate, gives it a refined, airy sophistication. It's effortlessly wearable and sure to be a collector's favorite for its versatility and polish. The corail gris caramel combination feels autumnal and elegant. Warm caramel softens the cool gray, giving depth and restraint. This one whispers luxury, ideal for connoisseurs who appreciate understatement. And finally, Rose Bonbon Vert Multicolor, the playful rebel of the group, vibrant, fashion-forward, and full of charm. It brings modern pop to a classic motif, a delight for those who collect with color and personality in mind. Among these, two stand out for lasting appeal. The Blanc Cassé Étoupe Rouge H will likely anchor the collection, timeless, photogenic, and effortlessly elegant. But for true insiders, the Bleu Ciel Corail Ardoise may become the connoisseur's choice. Subtle, balanced, and quietly sophisticated, a perfect canvas for Burton's meticulous line work. My personal favorites happen to be the Cabane Rose Multicolor and the Corail Gris Caramel. Let me know in the comments which colorway speaks to you. So there you have it, a bit about the artist, design inspiration, and collector's insights for this design from Hermès' Fall/Winter 2025 collection. Please like and share the video if you enjoyed it, and let me know what you think in the comments. In future episodes, I'll share other scarf reviews, inspiration, and more, so be sure to hit that subscribe button to be notified of new videos. Thanks again for joining me today. Until next time.